Yeah, what's up guys, Cognito here. So today I'm going to be showing you guys some of my Nintendo Switch kit, or as many will call it, accessories that I so happen to have recently in 2021. But basically this video is going to be me showing you guys some of the accessories that doesn't come in the box with the Nintendo Switch kit, but it's going to include the console also. So it's going to be everything inside this bag and maybe some more that I don't carry around with the bag. So without wasting any more time, let's start.
Rage on that beat, going crazy.
Yeah, so getting inside the bag, you can see some cables, um like some USB-C cable. Like all these things actually come like with the box actually. So yeah, I also have some dongles right here. That's, well, I don't think they're that important. And starting off inside the bag, you can see here, this tool is the one that if you want to use the Joy-Cons on your hand, you can like strap them to your hand and something like this. Maybe I will illustrate later. Next, you can see this. Now, fun fact, this is actually not the one that comes in the box. The one that comes in the box doesn't have this USB-C. Let me show you. So here's what I mean. You can see this has like a USB-C and this doesn't. This is actually the one that comes in the box, like when you buy it new. But this you can only buy separate, and they actually look similar, but this you can only like strap the Joy-Cons to and play. But this you can also put the Joy-Cons and like be charging at the same time. So in case when I tell you it's an accessory, don't get confused. Yeah, so right here you can see like a Nintendo Switch extra storage, that's 256 gig in case you want to add. You can see this is the dock actually, so you put it here, you put the Nintendo Switch here and you connect it to your TV, something like that. You can see this is the console itself. This is the Nintendo Switch in its own bag. So this is the black version. You can see, sorry, yeah, as you can see, this is the console itself. I don't have to talk much about it because you can just go and search for like a review and you will see. But to illustrate other things that I have been saying in this video, once you take the Joy-Cons out of this, like this, yeah, this is how you dock it. You just actually put it inside, you dock it, and if you want to play with this that I first showed, so this is an example. This is what I removed first from the box, and I was telling you that if you want to play independently, you just like strap it like this and then you put it on your hand. You have like a gaming console, something like that. Well, it's actually Nintendo's idea and it's actually sold out well. So if you just want to have like a mini controller, you can also just put this like this and you have like a controller. This is just their idea, but it's not like really designed to be a controller that someone will play crazy games with. But well, so I think that's it guys, everything I have for my like accessories. And I also have more accessories, but like they can't fit into this bag and I don't really need to carry them. And one of it is the Pro controller. This is the Nintendo Switch Pro controller. This is for the crazy gimmicky like ones that love to play games, and as you can see here, like really nice. And this is when I say it's designed for playing games actually, so you can actually play a lot of games for a long time with this controller instead of this controller, because this controller is just so boxy, but this controller is actually for the pro gamers that love to play games. And I think that's it. Well, the table is actually a little messy, but it's worth it. So guys, that's it for my Switch Kit 2021, but you can find much more on platforms like Amazon, because the Nintendo Switch is a console that has a lot of third-party accessories. Well, that's been it guys. Hope you enjoyed watching, and if you enjoyed watching, make sure you press that subscribe button and hit that notification icon so that you'll be the first person to be informed when I post a new video. But till then, I'm Cognito, and I'm signing up.
Rage on that beat, going crazy.